This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, 12 strategically positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.